where machines never sleep. A billion-dollar factory building one of the world's most powerful SUVs. Thousands of machines.
Each freshly cut steel panel glides along the conveyor, precisely guided by robotic arms, preparing for the next step in shaping the Fortuner's body. The hydraulic press molds each panel with exact precision, while robotic arms ensure flawless positioning for every Fortuner body component. Panels flow toward the inspection station, where robotic arms guide each sheet into perfect alignment, ensuring flawless quality. Advanced laser sensors inspect every curve and contour, ensuring each Fortuner panel meets exacting standards. With precise alignment ensured by robotic guides, each panel advances to the welding section, ready for seamless assembly. Laser systems verify alignment, ensuring every dimension meets exact standards.
Robotic welders fuse each panel with precision, sparks flying as the Fortuner's structure begins to take shape.
Freshly welded panels move forward, perfectly aligned for the next stage of assembly. Multiple robotic systems work in harmony, assembling the Fortuner's core chassis with flawless precision.
The completed chassis advances smoothly, guided with exact alignment for body integration.
Body panels are precisely fitted onto the chassis, forming the recognizable structure of the Fortuner.
Robotic systems install doors with perfect alignment, ensuring seamless fit and finish.
Roof panels are aligned and secured, strengthening the vehicle's upper frame.
Reinforcement welding ensures durability, with sparks marking each precise connection.
Side panels are welded securely, forming a strong and seamless body structure.
Roof reinforcements are welded with precision, ensuring structural strength.
With surfaces perfectly prepared, the Fortuner moves closer to its final transformation.
Precision begins with the perfect foundation, as base coat layers are applied with flawless consistency.
Controlled heat transforms paint into a durable, lasting finish.
Front bumpers are installed with accuracy, shaping the bold face of the Fortuner.
The hood is carefully positioned, completing the front structure with precision engineering. Rear sections come together as bumpers are precisely fitted into position. Side mirrors are installed with exact positioning, enhancing both design and functionality. Precision robotic grippers install the windshield, sealing the cabin structure. Rear windshields are carefully fitted, completing the vehicle's glass structure.
Suspension systems are installed, laying the foundation for performance and comfort.
The engine is carefully positioned, becoming the heart of the Fortuner. Transmission systems are integrated with precision for smooth power delivery. Exhaust systems are installed, completing the vehicle's core mechanical setup.
Brake systems are installed with precision, ensuring safety and control.
Wheels are mounted and secured, bringing the Fortuner closer to completion. Precision sensors verify alignment and torque, ensuring perfect balance. The dashboard is installed, shaping the vehicle's interior experience. Control begins with precision steering systems, installed with absolute accuracy at the heart of every Fortuner. Seats are fitted with precision, combining comfort and durability for every journey ahead.
Safety systems are integrated seamlessly, ensuring protection is built into every detail.
Final touches refine every surface, delivering a premium finish throughout the interior. Advanced technology comes to life as infotainment systems are seamlessly integrated into the cabin. Complex wiring networks are installed with precision, powering every function of the Fortuner. Climate control systems are installed to ensure comfort in every environment and journey. Final inspections ensure every detail meets the highest standards of quality and precision. Every detail is perfected, ensuring a flawless finish inside every Fortuner. A protective clear coat seals perfection, delivering depth, brilliance, and durability. Cooling stabilizes the finish, revealing a flawless exterior surface. Every detail is assembled with precision, enhancing both form and function. Lighting systems are integrated, bringing clarity and identity to the vehicle.
Structural enhancements add both utility and strength to every journey. Even the smallest components are installed with absolute precision. Advanced calibration ensures perfect alignment and visibility. Every surface is refined, achieving a flawless, premium finish.
Precision extends beneath the surface, where every component is inspected to perfection. Perfect alignment ensures stability, control, and a flawless driving experience. Essential fluids bring the machine to life, powering every system within.
Every function is tested, ensuring flawless performance in every condition. The journey continues as each vehicle advances toward final verification.
Final inspections guarantee perfection, inside and out.
Every surface is refined, delivering a flawless, premium finish.
Lighting systems are tested, ensuring clarity, safety, and precision. The heart of the machine comes alive, tested for peak performance.
Each vehicle advances toward the final stage of quality assurance. Human expertise meets precision engineering, ensuring absolute perfection. The finished product moves forward, ready for its journey. Ready for the world, each vehicle stands as a symbol of precision and excellence. From raw material to refined machine, this is the journey of the Toyota Fortuner.